Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Because like, comment, share and subscribe is free. And today I want to tell you about crypto exchange BTC, a operator firm reportedly needs bail in US maintains in vacancy. Alexander Phoenix, the alleged owner and operator of the infamous cryptocurrency exchange BTC, has been found not legally for arrest on bail in the United States, where he was essentially transferred from Greece, the Russian economy of large-scale money laundering through the non-default trading platform and other crimes against U.S. charges. And Alexander Finney remains in California first Russian embassy offers help Wednesday. And authorities in the United States have eventually ordained a release on bail for the ET specialist Alexander Finney. Russian media reported quitting his record on the website of the Senate jail in California where he is incarcerated. Phoenix has been in the U.S. since with hasty extradition from Greece a little more than the week aged, which enriched his international defense team. The crypto entrepreneur was arrested on the U.S. warrant in December of 2017 in the great city of Thessaloniki, where he arrived on a family vacation grant which sent him to France in late 2019, where he served a 5-year sentence for money laundering in July US. Authorities withdrew a request to get him from France, thus speeding up his transfer to Greece, which had already approved his extradition to the United States. His lawyers protested against the decision to currently him over to American authorities, pointing out that he had applied for asylum in Greece after previously warranted in the U.S. Phoenix is likely to become a host of the Republican claims regarding the ongoing military conflict in NATO, supported Ukraine which was invaded by Russian forces in February. The information provided by the persons on native locator does not indicate which are the best vacation at the hearing on Friday, August 5, when many operate in the federal court in San Francisco, or if the judge has not yet considered the matter a status change, return the short message form cannot be received on bail. So, the crypto explorer was arrested on a U.S. warrant in December of 2017. Because maybe just this. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you.